Introducing the 2022 Volkswagen Id.3 PRO, 107 kW family, 58 kWh, 145 HP Pro, a cutting-edge electric estate vehicle that is sure to impress. With features like air conditioning, cruise control, satellite navigation, and automatic emergency braking, this car ensures a safe and comfortable ride for you and your family. Not only does this vehicle boast a sleek design and advanced technology, but it also offers top-notch security features such as multiple airbags, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking. Plus, with a powertrain warranty and anti-corrosion warranty, you can drive with peace of mind, knowing you're covered. At Michael Moore Volkswagen, we guarantee that each vehicle undergoes a full multi-point health and safety check and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us today or visit our website at michaelmoore.ie for more information on the 2022 Volkswagen Id.3 Pro 107 kW family.